Are you not satisfied with the duster you have for cleaning your vehicle? Here I'll let you know about the best car duster for you. Generally, you should look for a duster that can clean both the vehicle's interior and exterior. Also, the duster must have the ability to clean magnetic dirt and dust quickly and efficiently. Moreover, a duster should show the ability to clean without the help of a cleaning agent. It must have the capability of picking up dirt and dust from the surface of the vehicle, without spreading the dust out. Having a neat and clean vehicle is like a treasure. Also, for your vehicle's performance, you should clean the car regularly with a duster. As the interior part of the vehicle remains closed for the air conditioning system, you must have cleaned the interior part every day. Otherwise, dusty air can affect in your breathing. There are many products available to choose car duster, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best car duster from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let us jump into the video. Number 1. Relentless Drive Car Duster Exterior Scratch. The duster also has microfiber thick noodles. The Ultimate Car Duster offers the biggest head 163x63 with 360-degree electrostatic microfiber pollen removing ability. The long handle makes it satisfying to customers, and it allows a grip around the long handle to hold it comfortably. If you are looking for the best car duster on the market, probably you are reading the right duster review. This lint-free duster offers a cylindrical head, which is a microfiber surrounded for cleaning the dust. The head covered with microfiber has an electrostatic quality that attracts the dust thoroughly. Also, they'll give you a protector bag to keep the duster in there. This 360 duster is probably one of the best car dusters for the exterior. The long handle helps to clean dust easily, and you won't get tired easily. Moreover, it proves an anti-slip handle grip supported by an anti-slip protector. You can extend the handle up to 6 inches. The Ultimate Car Duster is effective against pollen. It can clean pollen with a maximum of 2 swipes. Washing of this duster is an easy task. All you need lukewarm water with mild detergent. Use a gentle rub for washing it. Do not try to wash it in the washing machine. The dimension of the item is 21.5 x 6 x 6 inches and has a weight of 1 pound. For a warranty, you should contact directly with the seller. Prozit offers 360-degree cleaning head. You will be able to extend the handle. Provides grip and anti-slip protector of the grip. Electrostatic microfibers attract dust well. Comfortably washable. Cons expensive than others. Number 2. Senhai Mini Duster for Car Air Vent. Are you looking for the best car duster at a cheap rate? Then Senhai Mini Duster is for you. It is specially designed for cleaning inside of the vents. Now come to the design of the duster. It has a unique design. This duster has 2 ends. On one end, they offer microfibers cleaning cloth, and on the other end, there has a brush with hard plastic bristles. So, you have to brush off the dust with one end, and then with another end, you have to wipe the rushing area. This duster is tiny in size, so you can easily push it inside the AC vents, speaker, and any other small area. You can use the brush only to clean the car interior. Also, you can use it to clean other stuff. You have to be careful because the brush part contains strong plastic bristles that can cause scratches. The major plus point of the Senhai is you can wash it with water. Moreover, you can clean dust from shutters, buttons, etc. inside the car. The dimension of the product is 6.1 x 5.7 x 0.9 inches and has a weight of 3.84 ounces. Senhai offers 2-in-1 duster, which is a nylon brush and microfiber cloths. Suitable for cleaning inside any air vents. Easy to use and washable. They provide 3 brush dusters. Cons: not suitable for cleaning exterior parts. Often causes scratch. Number 3. We've already known that most of dusters are designed for exterior cleaning purposes. But Relentless Drive Ultimate Dash Duster is specially made for the vehicle's interior, and it is considered as one of the best car dash dusters. Like most of interior dusters, it offers a large head with a short handle. The head has a cylindrical shape. Chenille microfibers are attached with a cylindrical head and give the duster 360-degree cleaning ability. On the other hand, the handle is plastic made and only 2 inches long. The Relentless Drive Ultimate Dash Duster has a compact shape, and you can put it easily on the glove box. That means if you need to clean the interior in an emergency, you can use it in a quickly time. It is suitable for cleaning the seat, window sills, dashboard, and AC vents, etc. Microfibers are thick in shape, as they can easily trap down dust and remove dust easily. These isn't washable. So, you have to shake it after cleaning to make it dust-free as much as you can. The dimension of the duster is 13 x 3 x 2 inches and has a weight of 2.4 ounces. The company says this duster will be 100% satisfying for you. If it isn't, they will repurchase it. Pros: compact design increases its efficiency. It fits in the glove box. The short handle gives easy cleaning in the interior part. It uses the chenille microfibers. Cons is it is not washable, dust residue can be built up. Number 4. Upra Ultimate Car Duster Kit Best Multi-Purpose Duster. Ultra Premium Car Duster is considered as the alternative of classic California cloth duster. This car duster offers 360-degree cylindrical head, which remains covered with microfiber noodles. As the duster head offers a gray color, you can easily find out the discoloration of the head. But the most useful and effective of this duster is, it has a telescopic handle with a grip that allows you to handle the duster comfortably and quickly. Also, the handle is made of steel, that's why there's no chance of breaking or bending. The handle also has a length of 6 inches. Ultra Premium Car Duster doesn't require more than 2 swipes in one place. You can clean the surface with a single wipe if you are an expert. It depends on the amount of dirt and dust. For cleaning your car after a while, you'll need to wipe more than one time. The long handle will help you to clean the middle point of the car's roof. You can reach up to 31 inches with this duster. The microfibers it is using are electrostatic. That's why the duster head can attract dust and trap them. The dimension of the duster is 21x6x6 inches and has a weight of 1 pound. You have to contact the seller for warranty purpose. Pros: it offers a long handle. Duster head uses electrostatic microfiber to attract the dust. No hint of lint and wax. It can be washed comfortably. Cons: duster head will be stringy. The handle is inflexible. Number 5. Microfiber Car Duster Exterior Interior Cleaner. Are you here for the best car duster review? Among the best car dusters, you can add this duster. It provides long microfibers. As a result, it can trap pollen easily between microfibers. Also, it makes sure the pollen stays trapped until you finish up your cleaning. It is designed in classical style, but it has a combination of classic and new unique designs. It uses the chenille microfiber broom head. The head is attached to a long handle, which you can expand from 11.8 to 17.7 inches. So you don't have to stretch out your arm uncomfortably. The telescopic handle will assist you in reaching from every unreachable and touch angle. Also, it provides a grip on the handle. This duster will save you unnecessary costs by avoiding tiring and car washing. The microfibers don't allow to push the dust on the surface. It lifts the dirt nicely, and you don't have to worry about any scratches. It is entirely scratch-free. The dimension is 17.1 x 8 x 4.5 inches and has a weight of 1.16 pounds. For warranty purposes, you should contact the seller directly. Pros: long handle helps to clean dust and pollen from a distance. It uses microfiber for trapping down the dust particles. Works good on both interior and exterior of a car. Lages head helps to clean a large area at a time. Cons: it doesn't allow 360-degree cleaning. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.